All right, so this morning I'm just gonna meander around my yard and show you guys the just basic off-lead control I have with my board and train Doobie. This is just loose control with the e-collar. He has no leash, the only thing he has on is an e-collar. And I'm just gonna meander around my yard and show you what kind of freedom that the e-collar can bring in a short period of time. So this is just loose control, off-leash freedom. I'm gonna meander around the yard and show you how Doobie does. Doobie, sit. Good boy, wait. Doobie. Good boy. Yeah, you're my man. You're my man. You're my little man. You're my little man right there. Good boy. Come on, dude. So his working level this morning, I have not stemmed him at all, but his level is 7. I don't know if you can see that. 7 out of 100. Very, very, very low level. I cannot even feel 7 myself. So Doobie's meandering around. He's going over there. That's the potty spot over there by that trailer. Seems like all my dogs go. They all gravitate to that area for some reason or another. Seems to be the pee and poop and hangout. Doobie, here. So that was the first call. I did not stem him. He kind of blew me off. I don't know if he's gonna potty. Doobie, here. Atta boy, come on. So, atta boy, come on, Bubba. Good dog. So you seen that? That was a perfect prime example of the use of this collar. So I let him go over there. I let him meander around. He was very distracted. My dog would go over there and pee in there, that area over there. Very distracted. So the first time I called him, he blew me off. That's what dogs do. They'll blow you off. Now I could have got a little more stern, a little more loud, a little more serious, a little more inflection in my voice. He would have came without using this. But the second time I called him here, I used the E-stem. I used it on 10. Still very, very low level. He can barely feel that. Good boy. So you see he immediately responded. So that's what you want. That's what e-collar off-leash freedom is all about, is being able to enjoy your dog without worrying about them running out in the street, running after squirrels, running after dogs, people. This is what e-collar off-leash freedom is all about. Something is very attainable for the average pet. Doobie, come on, buddy. Come. Doobie. Good boy. Good boy. So there's another use of the place command. The place command starts out in one general area to learn what that means, to learn what the word place means. Very quickly, you can generalize that place means wherever. So a place could be a cot, it could be a place on the ground, it could be a raised platform like the lounger there on the pool. So he's generalized it very well. He knows what E-stem pressure is. If he would not have complied with my command to get up on his place, I would have applied gentle, low-level stimulation until he made an effort to get there. Stimulation would have stopped. Doing very well. Doobie. Yeah, rock star. All right, come on, buddy. Doobie. Come here, buddy. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Good. So that was good. He caught himself. Doobie. Good boy. All right, man.